Welcome back, everybody. Let's do it. You know the routine. If you've pushed the subscribe button and the all button, when you subscribe, you know the routine of all this by now. So, for all you subscribers and returning viewers, you hear it too many times, me repeating it. So that's as far as I'll go with that. Let's go ahead and do this. This is a car wireless FM transmitter, PD36W2, quick charge. And it has, well, you'll see it when I open it. And you already know in the comment or in the description what it is. USB flash drive, base equalizer, big knob. The total output power must not exceed 42 watts. Max is 42 watts. And wireless transmits phone calls. Okay. And you can pause that and read it as you like. Let's go ahead and open this. It's already got a little bit of that on there. Upgraded Bluetooth FM transmitter. So basically, you take your cell phone and you connect it to this, and then you turn your radio, your digital radio in your car to a certain channel that's not being used, and this matches, and you turn this to the number and also on the radio, and then you can play through your phone, your music, and also make calls without basically handless calls, so you don't have to hold on the phone. Of course, it's illegal to play on your phone while you're driving. So let's go ahead and open this and see if I can get this open. There we go. Looks like that's all I need to do with that. And I'm still going to do a video on the touchscreen radio. I know how to wire it up. I've already tested it, the display and everything. I have not tested the speaker way, but I did make sure that it did work. I used that battery from that one unboxing, and I also used my bench power supply. And for those who watched that one video of my telescope, you see the bench power supply right on the floor. So let's go ahead and get all this out. It also has a little fuse. Hopefully it has one already, and we can have this as a backup fuse. And let's get the box out of the way. We'll set that there. Say, hey, that comes with it. And if I can just figure this out. Okay. I can do a test of this off camera, and then I will decide whether to do another video of this or not. If you guys and gals don't comment in the comments to support me, say, yeah, I'd like to see more of this stuff, then it really comes down to if I decide to do it or not. But of course, if you buy me a coffee, and I will mention your name in the next video. And if you want to make a request that way, simple request, nothing too fancy, I might do another video on say one of these products that I'm reviewing and unboxing. And so there we go. We have the phone call, and you can turn the volume. Oh, there's a channel on it, and there's the mic, so you can talk into it while you're driving. And this here is a volume control, and or it puts the display, so you have to match this number with your radio, turn it to that channel of this, and make sure that the channel is not occupied. Basically one of those in between, when it searches for the next radio station, it's in between that, so you want a dead channel. It doesn't have no noise on it, just static, and it'll be a lot better. And basically you just put this number, let's say it was 95 or 92, or say 81 or 82. It's 82.1. 82.1, you would put that also on the radio, and it matches. It matches, and then this is connects to your phone connects to this, and then this connects to that channel. And so let's say if you were driving down the road and somebody was changing the channel, let's say you're at the stoplight, somebody else was changing the channel, and it went to this frequency, so they'll hear what you're playing until you drive along and drive away, and then they might like the song you're listening to, and then all of a sudden they think it's a channel, a radio station, when the fact is it was your phone. And then as you drive away, and all of a sudden they're listening to the same song, enjoying it, and then all of a sudden it goes and they have no idea that it was here. They were listening to somebody's phone. It was kind of hilarious. And here's okay, and it bends to your liking. There is a USB connection there, so you can charge stuff. This goes into your cigarette lighter, and plus you also have, looks like a USB-Cs. So you have 2, 3, 4 ways to charge up stuff. And there we go. I have to test this out. See how awesome it is. This is so for like the older radios, but they are digital, but they didn't have like hookups or Bluetooth connection. This will be basically similar to Bluetooth connection, because you can connect your Bluetooth to your cell phone through this Bluetooth, and then this will go to the channel, because if you didn't have Bluetooth, so Bluetooth to go into it, transmit through it from your cell phone, and then this will be changed to the frequency of the radio, and then you just change the channel on your radio in your car to that specific frequency or channel, and boom, there you go. And so it's old school in a way when you think about it. It's like those drive-in movie theaters with the cars, or drive-in movie theaters with a big old screen, and you tune into that little radio next to your car door, and everybody would tune into their radio on it if they didn't like the radio. And then you would listen to the movie through your radio. But this will be more better than that, of course. It'll be right there by your radio, so it won't be that much of a problem, and it'll be more clearer, no static. If I test this, it should be no static to it. But if you turn this into a frequency, let's say there was a radio station, say 92.0, and you tune this into 92.0, it would mess it up. It wouldn't work. So you got to do a channel that's blank, and there's plenty of blank channels on the radio frequencies. So there you go, everybody, and thank you so much for watching and tuning in. And I'll go over it really slow. Remember, it bends to your liking. And there you go. Connection there. Microphone there. You can talk on the radio and tune into the frequency. And that's probably to change to the equalizer, maybe, because it does have an equalizer on it. And of course, there's 2 there, and there's that, and there we go. And thank you so much. If you want to know more about this, buy me a coffee. If I haven't put a video up, that will encourage me to do another video on it. I can do a test. I also can do a test on that radio, that Bluetooth radio that I have. I have it all wired up. Buy me a coffee, and at least one of you buy me a coffee, and I will do another video on it. Thank you so much. And if you want to know There we go. Kind of a little demonstration. And gives you an idea. Right there, you can pause it and read it to your liking. It gives you, this here will give you exactly what those buttons do. Put it in the camera there. You can pause it and read it. Okay, and that's that. Thank you so much. Let's move on to another one of my videos. Take care.